Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, we've got some fresh farmers market, homegrown eggplants. We got some marinara sauce. I got recipes on how you can make that. I got some shredded mozzarella. This is the baby. We got some olive oil. We got some salt. Hey, Mike Foster here. This is a simple eggplant parm. Simple, killer diller, classic. I'm going to show you how to make it. I got the oven set for 350. First thing we're going to do is prep that eggplant and then put this bad boy together. Check this baby out. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to slice this, get rid of this end piece. And you see that? We're going to slice this eggplant just like this, in these little medallions like this. Okay, I'm going to get all these cut, then I'll show you what I do next. All right, I got them all spread out. You're going to take some salt to try to get some of the liquid out of them. Let these set for a few minutes. Like I said, oven's on 350. All right, now we got to cook these. Now you can fry them. I don't like to fry the eggplant. I don't like to bread them. You put a little olive oil down, then you put these babies down like this. Just like this. Next, coat them with some more olive oil. Put these babies in the oven, like I said, at 350. Check them in a few minutes. Then we're going to broil them off and then assemble this fine mess. See you in a few minutes. That is about 10-15 minutes. Check them out. They're in perfect shape. They're hot. Now it's time to assemble this simple, killer, classic eggplant parm. Start off with olive oil on the bottom. Then I'm going to throw some sauce on the bottom. It's splattered. Put the sauce on the bottom. Spread around good. There's your base. Now we layer. And remember, these babies are hot. All right, one more. Okay. Now what? Yep, more sauce. It's saucy, but it's Parmesan, so it's cheesy. Now I showed you the mozzarella, but now we have some parm, fresh grated parm, shredded. Put that baby right there. I mean, this is what it's all about. It's parm. We're gonna melt this and make it gooey. Oh, don't forget the ooey part. And here's that mozzarella. All right, bang it on there. Put that baby on there. Now we're gonna take the rest of these. Man, I either should have used a smaller pan or made more eggplant, but remember, that's all you need. This one, it broke up. That's gonna be still great. And then sauce all over the top. Let's sauce this baby up. Now finish off the parm. Oh yeah, I said it was cheesy. And the rest of the mozzarella. There she is. Now that oven is still at 400, but we put it back to bake and not broil. Pop that baby in, we'll check in about 15 minutes. See you then. We did 15 and we did another 10, so it's been 25, so look at it. I'm gonna finish this off with a little broiler action and we should be good. When that's done and it's nice and brown a little, take a big close-up and have a big bite. All right, I finished it off. That baby got brown, nice and crispy. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, then I'll slice that baby up, have a nice taste. There it is. The simple, killer, classic eggplant parm. I can't wait for a bite. All right, this baby's hot. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that baby's hot. You can taste that eggplant. It's got a unique taste. The cheese doesn't overwhelm it. It enhances it. And the eggplant's cooked, in my humble opinion, perfectly. The sauce is just right. Oh, you gotta try different things. Not just egg sandwiches, not just fast food, quick bites, anything at Live Life 365. at my YouTube channel. Till next time, this is a sweet babu, baby. Peace.
Live life 365.
Try not to spatter it or splatter it. So layer those bobos in. All right, just figured out you can use a fork instead of your bare hands, Mike. Don't be a moron. And now I say, baby, come on in. That's my wife. Best thing I've made in years. And that's a baba.